A very good morning to all my class 10th students. I am here back with the chapter agriculture which we were discussing and we were continuing with the chapter. Today I am going to start the different types of agriculture. First is settled agriculture and shifting agriculture. Day before yesterday when I gave you the video, I shared the video, I taught about subsistence farming. What is the basic concept of subsistence farming? How is subsistence or primitive farming helpful to the people and in what areas this type of farming is basically done. Today I will be talking about settled agriculture. Settled, what is settled agriculture? Settled agriculture basically means we are at that place, we are working on a place where we are doing the farming. We are doing a farming at a very specific place. हम फिक्स प्लेस पे फिक्स फील्ड्स पे फार्मिंग कर रहे हैं. In any form of agriculture, modern or primitive. Modern means आज के ज़माने का, primitive means old agriculture. It is practiced small piece of land. जैसे कि कोई भी farmer है, I am a farmer, I have a fixed 10 acres, 5 acres, 2 acres of land और उस land पे मैं farming कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है, और हर बार मैं खेती उसी लैंड पे कर रहा हूँ, उसी पार्ट पे कर रहा हूँ, उसी पोर्शन पे कर रहा हूँ. दिस टाइप ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर इज नोन एज सेटल्ड एग्रीकल्चर. मीन्स व्हेन द फार्मिंग इज डन ऑन the same land. It is known as settled agriculture. And the other one is shifting agriculture or zooming. It is also called zooming. First is settled, second is shifting agriculture or zooming. Okay, zooming, a very common word that is commonly asked in CBSE question. What is zooming? Zooming means when continuous change in the land is done, when the farmers keep doing the agriculture at different pieces of land. अभी इधर किया है, फिर 2 मीटर दूर किया है, फिर 15 मीटर दूर किया है, फिर आधा किलोमीटर दूर किया है. When the land keep changing, that type of agriculture is known as zooming agriculture or shifting agriculture. In this type of agriculture, a piece of land, suppose 1 acre, 2 acre, 3 acre, land is prepared, burnt by burning. उसको साफ किया जाता है. It is cleared by burning. Okay, means burning the unnecessary things of the land, and then agriculture is done on that. It could also be done, cleared by cutting shrubs and trees and then preparing the land for agriculture. So in this type of farming, a piece of land is cleared and on that land agriculture is done. And this agriculture is done for a short period. मतलब एक बार कर लिया, फिर 1 साल नहीं किया, 2 साल में किया. यहाँ पे हर सीजन में किया, ऊपर वाले में सेटल्ड एग्रीकल्चर में, यहाँ पे शॉर्ट पीरियड्स में किया है. सो दिस इज द बेसिक डिफरेंस. जूमिंग इज द प्रोसेस in which a land is cleared by burning or cutting down trees, and agriculture is done for a short period of time. This process is known as shifting agriculture or June. Okay, I hope you must have done this, understood this. Settled agriculture and shifting agriculture. These are the two things which you have to keep in mind. Next comes intensive agriculture and extensive agriculture. Extensive and intensive. First talk about intensive agriculture. What is this? Intensive agriculture is one which agriculture produces more by working hard and making use of better agriculture means, and on the same fields over and over years. A lot of hard work is done in intensive agriculture. Okay, the land is same and used over the years. Okay. No new lands is used. ठीक, hard work is done in intensive farming. A lot of methods of agriculture, the better agricultural means like agricultural tools, better agricultural tools are used. Okay, are used here.